Is Facebook Marketplace suddenly missing from your app? You're not alone. This is a common issue many users face. The good news is, your marketplace is usually not gone, just hidden. Let me show you a simple trick to bring it back. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and effective Facebook fixes that actually work. Step by step, fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and sign in. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Look at the top right corner and locate your profile icon. This icon gives access to your personal account settings. Enter your profile section to continue. You're now moving closer to the fix. Step 3. On your profile page, find the three-dot menu. This menu controls hidden features and profile options. Open it to reveal additional settings. This is where Marketplace visibility is managed. Step 4. Scan the available options carefully for Marketplace. If Marketplace appears here, it means the feature is still active. Select it to access buying and selling features. Your Marketplace should now open normally. If this tip is helping you, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook tips and problem fixes. Your support helps this channel grow every day. Step 5. If Marketplace wasn't visible before, repeat these steps anytime it disappears. Facebook sometimes hides features due to region, age, or activity limits. Using this method helps you quickly check availability. It's the fastest way to confirm whether Marketplace is enabled for you. Boom, problem checked and fixed. Your Facebook Marketplace is now visible or properly verified. Facebook Marketplace issues are common, but most fixes are simple. Knowing where to look saves time and frustration. If this video helped you, subscribe and comment below for more Facebook tips that keep your account running smoothly. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and professional.